Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can recover your Shein account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to get started, first of all, what you can do is simply tap on the Shein application. Make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone. And in order to recover your account, open up your Shein application and then go ahead to the Me section from the appeared screen. As you can see, the Me option is appear on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you can see the option sign in or register. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, you can see the option register or sign in to another account. Simply tap on it. Now click on continue button. Now doing so will take you to the login form or the sign in page. Now you have forgotten your password and you want to recover it, then simply tap on the forgot your password option. Now you will receive the verification code or the reset password link on your email. Go and check on your email if you have received it yet or not. Once you have received it, simply tap on the form that you have received and then you'll be taken to this type of page once you have clicked on that link. So now what you can do is add a new password and confirm a new password and save it, and doing so will successfully help you recover your account. And once you go back to Shein application, simply type down your email and a password and your account will be successfully recovered. So this is how it is, easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.